In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a OneDrive folder for group work. Sharing files and collaborating efficiently is crucial in any group setting, whether it's for school projects or team tasks in the workplace. So, let's dive right into how you can achieve this effortlessly using OneDrive. The first step is to log into your Microsoft account. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft account login page on your preferred web browser. Enter your credentials, and once you're in, you'll have access to all the Microsoft services available to you. Now, it might be easy to get a bit overwhelmed with all the options, but don't worry, stick with me and it will all make sense. Next, locate the apps launcher. This is typically found in the upper left corner of the page, resembling a small grid of 9 dots. Click on this icon as it gives you quick access to Microsoft apps, including OneDrive. It's like your central hub for productivity. Now, once you've clicked on the apps launcher, go ahead and click on OneDrive. This action will direct you to your OneDrive homepage, where you have all your files and folders neatly stored. Think of OneDrive as your digital filing cabinet. It's where you can keep everything organized. On the OneDrive page, what you'll want to do next is click on My Files. This is where you can view your list of existing files and folders. It's an intuitive UI that helps you find your materials quickly. After you've clicked My Files, it's time to select the folder you wish to share, browse through your files and click on the folder that you want to make accessible to others. Once you've selected it, find the share icon, which usually looks like a little figure or a paper with an arrow. This is your gateway to collaboration. A window will open, prompting you to enter the email addresses of the people or group you'd like to share the folder with. You can enter one or multiple addresses depending on your needs. Ensure these addresses are correct for a seamless sharing experience. Before sending out the invite, click on the option to allow the recipients to edit. This means they can make changes to the files in the folder, which is perfect for group work where everyone contributes equally. You have the opportunity to add a message to your email invitation. This could be a brief note explaining what the folder contains, or specific instructions regarding the files. It adds a nice personal touch and keeps everyone informed. When you're ready, click Send to send the invitation. Alternatively, if you prefer to share the folder via a link, you can click on Copy Link. This generates a link that you can share through email, a document, or even via a Teams message. It provides flexibility in how you choose to disseminate the information. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a OneDrive folder, paving the way for easy collaboration within your group.